What's up, mga ka-nation? It's Goldilocks Magical Mashups. A mashup happens when you mix two or more things to come up with something new. Now, if you use a Goldilocks product and mix it with other good stuff to come up with something new and different, that's called a magical mashup. Here with me today is our good friend dito sa Adobo Nation, Miss Joanne Kyle, who henceforth will be known as our mashup magician. Good to see you, Joanne.
Thank you, Lee. It's good to see you too.
Oh, yes.
Hello, mga ka-nation, and welcome to the first episode of Goldilocks Magical Mashups.
There you go. Well, surprise. I did not know na nagbe-bake ka pala, Joanne.
Hindi ko din alam.
Well, now I realize that not only do you bake, pero magical things come out of the oven every time you do. What Goldilocks product are we mashing up today? And, oh, here it is.
None other than, ta-da!
Oh.
Goldilocks Pandeleche.
Pandeleche. And
Yes.
what are you gonna magically turn it into?
Maniniwala ka ba? We can turn this into a Pandeleche French toast casserole topped with praline sauce. How does that sound?
Wow, that is classy, social, and sounds delicious. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's do it, Lee.
Well, meron na akong finishing touch.
Sige, go.
Let's say the magic words. Hocus pocus, Goldie goodness. Oh, Joanne, I could give you a kiss. Mwah! Mga ka-nation, Goldilocks Pandeleche, Presto Changeo, Goldilocks French Toast Casserole topped with...
Praline sauce.
There you go. You gotta try this, mga ka-nation. We'll see you again next time here on Goldilocks Magical Mashups.
Goldie
good
good
day! I'm gonna eat some more.
Ako din.
It's so good.